Hey guys, this is Nia Brianna, and you're watching the Jumbo Ombre Box Braid tutorial. If you're interested in finding out how I do these big juicy box braids, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, greetings. So I'm starting off here with freshly washed hair. I detangled it in the shower and parted it because I learned my lesson. So the first thing I'm using here is Carol's Daughter hair milk. It's a really good moisturizing leave-in for my hair texture, and it's not heavy, seeing as though I won't really need heavy leave-in for this style. Now I'm following up with the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Spray, and I'm spraying it all over my head. I don't know if you guys have heard, but this smells amazing. So now I'm just going to part my hairs in sections again and prep it for blow drying. It's always a good thing to detangle your hair properly before doing anything else with it. I'm going to use this Creme of Nature Argan Oil 7-in-1 leave-in treatment. It's good for detangling. It protects against heat damage, breakage, and all that good stuff. Now I'm using my Denman brush to detangle my hair. Typically, I use my Denman brush to detangle my hair when it's staying curly. I'm not quite sure why I decided to use it at this point. I really think my paddle brush was dirty, but I don't know. But I used it. Denman brushes are usually good. I don't know. Now this is my blow dryer. It's a Revlon. I'm not sure what the model is, but it comes with 2 other spin brushes, like the ones that the Dominicans use. I've been trying not to use the spin brush end. I've been using the open end for the blow dryer. But I don't know. I don't know no more. This used to be one of my favorite blow dryers because it really does work out the kinks when you're getting to the ends, but I really kind of feel like it fries my ends too. But not as much as a flat iron would. Maybe, I don't know. But I do want to try that new blow dryer with a paddle brush on the end. If you watch, you'll see that I use about 3 different methods to blow dry my hair. I'm not sure why I was so confused this day. But the best way to detangle my hair that I've noticed is using a paddle brush with an open-ended blow dryer. So here I'm using Trader Joe's organic coconut oil to apply to my ends because, of course, your ends are the driest part of your hair because it's the oldest part of your hair. And with this protective style, it's very important to keep your hair and your ends moisturized. Here I'm using Tropic Jamaican black castor oil to apply to my edges so that they're smoother because I was experiencing some breaking, and also so that they lay down flat without using edge control. So this Kanakelon braid in here is by African Collection in the color T1B30. It's an ombre braid in here. As you can see, it's like a black to a brownish, blondish. I don't know what color to call it, but it's a really nice color for the summer. I'm going to be using these black rubber bands to help section off my braids before I add the braid in here. As you can see, I'm using this metal tail fine-tooth comb to section off my hair because I just find it more precise than the plastic ones, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. So at this point, I got about 6 braids in my hair. I really and truly could not do it on camera. I don't know why. So I'm taking about 2 inches worth of the braiding hair into my hand. I'm separating it from the bigger batch of hair. And once I have as much hair as I would like to put into the braid in my hand, I'm just gonna tease it so that when it's in the braid, my ends aren't as blunt. But I actually didn't do as great of a job as I sought out to, so now I'm taking the hair I prepped for this braid, I'm splitting it in half and putting one piece over the other, and then one half over the other to create an X, which will essentially just turn out like 2 pieces of hair. Just think of it as the technology of a chain link. So once you have those 2 pieces, you'll take an even amount of hair to make it 3 pieces without falling apart. So pay close attention and make sure that you're doing this properly. I'm really not good at explaining certain things, so if you want, you can look up on YouTube how to put in Kanakelon braiding hair. So I tend to have a lot of flyaways, so I use my hair clip just to get any extra hair out the way. And now I'm starting just how I would start a regular braid, but I'm intertwining my hair into the Kanakelon hair so that it all becomes one. And just so you know, I took the twist out, so my hair isn't twisted, even though a lot of people do keep their hair twisted when they do these styles. So I made this video about 6 months ago and I'm just getting around to editing it, but I realized that I did not include the part where I put my even edge control on my edges to keep it down. So I will still put that down in the description, but I did use even edge control when I was parting and sectioning my hair before this. So of course, just like any braid, you want to make sure it's tight and make sure that it's not looking lopsided. So just as you're going, make sure that you're monitoring the braid so that everything looks even and uniform. I did this off camera as well, but make sure you boil your ends so that they don't unravel and they look all neat and clean. That's pretty much it, guys. If you liked the video, let me know. Anything you didn't like, let me know as well. I'm learning as I go myself, and the whole purpose of me doing this channel is so that you guys learn from my mistakes if I make any. Hence, the visual hair diaries. So if you guys like this and you tried this style yourself, feel free to tag me in pictures because I want to see them and I want to know what you did differently that worked for you. Thanks again, you guys, for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed.